Well, hello, my friends, and welcome back to Where Wendy Creates. Today, I have some loot. I have a haul that I cannot wait to share with you. And I know such mixed emotions over JoAnn fabrics, but we are going to pretend like today is all positive, 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 because I have extremely cool purchases that I want to share with you. So we were at JoAnn Fabrics, and I could not help myself because, my friends, you deserve some quilt tutorials. So upcoming really quick, we've got some back-to-back quilting fun that I cannot wait to share with you. So let's go ahead and unveil my haul and show you what I have. So I am not used to paper bags either, but they're beautifully printed. They're wonderful. So let's see what we bought, and I get to share this with you. So I am so excited about it. We purchased some batiks, and my friends, these are batiks that were marked on the package $56.99. Well, I paid, if I can find my receipt, about $19 for them. So that's 20 out of $56.99. I'm thinking that's pushing 70% off. So let's do the math. Let's look at the numbers. This is going to go beautifully with some of my yellow bumblebee and butterfly fabric. So that fits right in with that. And this, my friends, are two 10 by 10 packs of batik fabrics that are thick. They're wonderful. I've worked with these before. They're high fashion batiks, 42 pieces each. So that alone is going to be a quilt, along with some other fabric, but that's my pre-cuts for that. Now, who couldn't always use black 10-inch squares? Now these, I'm thinking they were only 40% off, but I'll double check my my sheet. But I could not help it because I have some black and white quilts coming up. So I have two 10 by 10, one white 10 by 10 inches, 20 squares each. They are good, thick fabric, so I opted to purchase those. These, again, $56.99 Kona cotton solids. I'm so excited about these. Two of these packs are the same. One is in the lighter, and these were also like $19. Hopefully I'll find the receipt and I'll show you exactly.
Kona
but
solids.
If you're into pre-cuts, if you're into quick quilts, these make wonderful fast quilts. And not as simple as that, my friends. We are going complex for you. But I did want to show you my 10 by 10 inch quilt on the back. What we did was slice them into triangles, made a beautiful pattern on it. Look for that tutorial. It is out, and very exciting. Okay, so these absolutely gorgeous fabrics there. And then let's go on to the second paper bag. We bought some fall fabrics and a bunch of these beautiful colored packs that are now, I think, 50 or 60% off. So very excited about those. Doesn't make sense. Their fat quarters are still 40% off, but their fat quarter bundles were like 60% off. Well, it brought them down to about $1 a piece for these, which I know we used to be able to get that price all the time. But with my projects coming up, these are just perfect blendables. They will make quick work of my upcoming projects. And you'll see I got them in different color combinations. Look at those bold and brights. And so, also picked up this bundle, usually $56.99, got it for like $20. I know, but we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is an odd number. Let's see if it says 12 piece fat quarter bundle. Normally $56.99. You and I know that's a crazy price, but I got it at an extreme discount as well. So let's just stack these up as they come and show you what I have. I'm so excited about these, my friends. We are going to be having, you know what? After the holiday, you always want to make those quilts. And these just make me think Easter, 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 Easter. So we're going to have some beautiful colors coming up, some quilts, and I cannot wait to use those with you. Okay, so hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And then you saw I recently created a 4-patch blue and white with some science blocks with some photos in the center. This is not the photo paper that I used for that. This is more of a light t-shirt instead of a photo. But we're going to use that. It's a print onto transfer sheet, press onto project. Finished projects may be machine laundered. My friends, when you put a photo on your fabric, make sure it's washable, because everything and anything I make, it needs to be laundered and laundered and laundered. If it's a kitchen item, it needs to be laundered at least once weekly. You know that, and why I say that is because I don't build anything that isn't meant to stand up to long term. Oh, and I got this from my daughter. Just a great sale. Wanted to pick her up one. Okay, so what else do I have? Buttons. Sorry about that. I got these. I couldn't help myself. These beautiful Yoda, Chewbacca, Star Wars buttons. Let's make a project coming up. I'll use those. Little pom-poms. They will go great on the junk journals, any kind of little things. This was a great clearance. And I told you I was making a black and white quilt. So my friends, yes, I took advantage of black and white, and we got all of them that the store had remaining. I think I picked these up for like $5, $6 for, I think there's 40 pieces that are 5" by 5". 30 squares, excuse me, 30 squares, 10 designs, 3 each. They're all black. These are actually solid black, so label's a little interesting, but, and then fringe. I could not help myself. I got some fringe for my junk journals, for the bags that we're going to be doing. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't, because we're going to be doing some totes, canvas totes, and putting the trim around the top. I thought that would be adorable. And besides, who wants to carry a tote around that's not frou-frou? And we have the ability to do frou-frou. Let's do frou-frou. I just love the colors, so I had to get these. These are balloons, and then more pom-poms. I just thought these were so cute. And buttons. And I did pick up one of the permanent ink markers, paint marker, water-based. Oh, maybe these are for junk journals, not for my fabric. I'll have to read that. Wood, plastic, metal, glass. Yeah, these are for my junk journals, my friends. I wanted to write on my black cardstock, so this white marker will be fun to play with that. Buttons, hair clips. No, yeah, these are hair, the little clips. Got them at a great price. Buttons, they had like 90% off of buttons, so I had to pick up some buttons. And my friends, if these are normally $4.49, I paid like 44 cents for them. Just amazing. 45 cents maybe. Some more fringe, and I want to show you everything. Another balloon, buttons. So again, a really great haul. I got these because they look like leather. They're faux leather. Lamode buttons, again 90% off, and I thought these would go great on probably any project, but I'm looking at doing a couple of tutorials with leather and canvas, so I thought they would be great. These are just absolutely adorable. Even if I just set these 2 bottles up somewhere, I just thought they were so cute. Okay, so the only thing I haven't showed you is my fall fabric. So I was able to get this, my friends. I think this was only 50% off. So yes, I know, not better than normal. But I got all that they had of that green. And then look at these gorgeous pumpkins. We are going to do a pumpkin quilt, and we're going to do it sooner rather than later. So I'm very excited about this. I hope you have been inspired. The point of me showing you my finds, my loot, my haul, my friends, is to let you know that bargains are out there. I'm going to have tutorials showing you where I get fabric coming up in the future, because I know JoAnn's is closing their doors soon, 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 soon. So get into JoAnn Fabrics. Now is the time. I know we have all been saying not yet, not yet, not yet. Yes, now go to JoAnn Fabrics. This is the time. And tell me what yummies you get in the comments below. Take advantage of those items that you really, really, really want. It is cash and credit card only. No checks. Checks are no longer accepted. Gift cards haven't been accepted for a long time. What upcoming projects you have, take advantage of them. Again, if you do white fabrics and you paint, you craft, you can easily change those whites into different colors as well. It's not easy, but it's fun. So take advantage of the little things. Make yourself a little mental note or a list. Go up and down every single aisle. Enjoy yourself. I'll see you real soon. Bye, my friends.